And then when it does any type of move, because you're so heavy, you get stopped out, right? Am I right on that? So what I want you to do, instead of doing 10, do 2, okay? By doing that, and you're like, oh, coach, but then I can't make a lot of money. That's okay. We're not doing this right now for you to make the money. We're doing this to retrain your brain. I'm telling you, if you guys would have had 2 of them in here, let's put it this way. Let's say you did 10 at 25, right? And you made 10% and you got stopped out. That's $250 profit, which is really good, right? That's awesome, right? Isn't that a good day? Now let's break this down. What if you did 2 of them and it costed you $500? Okay. Let's also look at your risk. If you did 2,500 and your risk was 25 to 40% or whatever your risk tolerance is. So let's look at it. Let's look at this in another light. Here's what I want you to do, and this is what should have happened until you condition your brain to do this. So instead of 10 contracts, which would have costed you $2,000 to $2,500, you made that beautiful play, and you collected anywhere between $200 to $250, because I know that's what most of you would have got stopped out on, is somewhere in here, right? I don't know where, but